Hello friends, welcome back to our course Time Management Basics, and today we are sharing a new tips to keep track of the daily activities that you are doing. Now at office, it's very challenging to find time for yourself, and that is why it is very important to keep a track of the activities that you are doing at office so that you know how much time they are going to consume so that you can accordingly save some time for yourself. Now, if you don't track your activity, you must have already noticed that end of the day you regret that you didn't find much time for investing in your career and self learning, and that eventually demotivates you further, right? So it is very essential that from tomorrow onwards try to keep a track of your daily activities. So, as I told you, it's very hard to find some extra time for yourself at office. Now, it could be because of so many reasons. Your managers might be assigning you so many projects at the same time. You have deliverables every day, right? You have to end up going to so many meetings. You are put to do so many certifications which are not even relevant to data science. And this is not just of data science or any other projects. It's all about finding time for yourself to prepare something which you really feel for. and highly and that's why I highly encourage you to go over this book, Walking Over Employee Shoulder. This book discusses a lot of such scenarios at office and what you should do during those scenarios so that you are able to find some time for yourself. Okay, and if you see the content, it's amazing. It talks about that priority is a myth. There is end-to-end delivery, share the estimate by end of day. These are very common scenarios that we face every day. You're always scared, you're motivated to switch company instead of spending more time on learning certain skills. You are pushed to do lot many certification which is may not be relevant or not helping you achieve the data science goals. There is promotion thing, startup concepts that comes to your mind that leave everything and let's build a startup and so on. There are many such things, and I encourage you to read this book so that you get a feel for it, that how do you manage such scenarios at office. It's going to be very helpful in your career. All right, so I hope you have learned something new today. So please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.